So Lenny, this is where you have to get your gangster on. Because these are rappers. These are hardcore rappers, you know.
Okay.
So yeah.
Is it gangster enough?
Yeah. You have to. Yeah. We won't play. Yeah, they're not friends, you know. Me and you were not friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Let's
so
do this.
what we're gonna do is they're gonna introduce themselves. So Lenny, take it away.
Do I get to choose?
Yeah, you get
first
to choose
before they introduce themselves.
Yeah. So who do you want to represent you today? Yeah, it's your choice.
See. I'll choose him because of his backpack. I like a bit of.
I choose who. I choose who.
Don't do that. I'm choosing him because of his backpack.
Okay.
Because I think he has a bit of weirdism going on. I haven't seen anybody perform with a backpack, and I like really, you know, weird people.
Weird.
I like people who stand out.
I'm weird.
You know, yeah. So
I said I'm weird. Can you hear me?
Okay, Jason, I've heard you.
Okay, so you have to go over to her. Yeah. Okay. So guys, quickly introduce yourself. What's the name, man? Which would you represent?
The name is Rapstick from Mimpasem, East Legon.
Okay.
Rapstick.
Rapstick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like stick. Okay.
What's the name, bro?
I'm Yao Hero from La Paz.
Yao what?
Yao Hero.
Yao Hero.
He's a hero. That's why he's in the backpack. Yeah.
He's representing. Okay, so like we said, it's 3 rounds. Now, guys, DJ Veroski, what are you looking for today?
Okay, so I mean, you're rappers, right? So punchlines, creativity, and no swear words. I mean, we have to be aggressive, but not.
Yeah.
I mean, too aggressive. So I'm looking for the freestyle, the punchlines, the bars. And I know you guys have got it. So, y'all hearing?
Rapstick.
Chopstick, and I said
Rapstick.
All right. So, you guys are ready? The thing is, I'm not friendly with the beats. Because, I mean, I just put you to the test. So, let's go. So, we started.
Okay, so you guys move center stage. Yeah. So, yeah, you come here, my brother. Yeah, and you stay. Now, you guys are not friends. Me and Lenny right now, we're not friends, right? So, Veroski, who do you want to start? Who wants to go first?
I think I'll start with Hero.
Hi. Yao Hero. Bravo. Hey, I'm a special guys. I'm a rap press. Who's using my guys? I be this, I be that. I know they may advice. Them already too much. I'm very nice. I want the cost tension. I'm nice. I know they see yourself. I'm using a rise. Don't deserve my cap. So I'm all sanitized. I know they feel big. So if you're ready, close up. But then oh, Brian, I'll make a run for your top. I know you lost. I'm lost. I'm a new creation. Made it my lord. Oh God, I go stress you, press you. But bro, my son did that. I'm in that. The hair, my kind of did that. He did to send it up. I'm a giant rap. But that. He baba. Now I've been an abadawa. Me baba, mama, me baba rap. Small poor rappers, they never go past. You know the few weeks, you really go past. What's your podcast? Let's hear your talkers. When you finish, I clear, never when it starts. Bravo.
Okay.
Small poor rappers. They never got bars.
Yes. I say? Hey.
Small poor rappers.
You never got bars.
Never go
Okay.
past.
All right.
The guy is on fire. I know you're happy.
I can hear the bar.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you ready, Rapstick?
Sure.
Rapstick, let's go.
When you jamwa, so I prepare you, game best rapper, your management says vex you. If you are bad, one day they high, I'm not gonna blame you, cause you get low IQ. Now you can this battle, now I'm public handle. But I showed the message, now they claim Ronaldo. The rapper so simple, but understand your able. Mamika weke, we are no police mosquito. I go make you sweat, come fire you like Elijah. Go as how far, you know say I be your desire. The voice of fire, you know, touch and nothing went up. I did up and got them. Hey, camera, that's the ball, I know what I'm at, on the MR, yeah, you don't see me, you so close, I'm not fit to talk chow, it didn't share that body, I'm a when you're paying in the crowd. Celebrity fake like to come and cut on the bow. But make us out the people, the better what they see the fire with the ground, they take them there, they sit on them. As a Maya busy, but we know they say they singing now. 20 people rapper, what they can't now see who them man. Head on them, sending them in your crazy Instagram. Sunday up, try to find who's the last killer. You've never seen what I saw, my brother don't venture. But if you can't say that, who Jimmy and better, we plan to get to a yet to the boat and the fire never.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah,
I think we have a competition today.
Yeah, you have a competition.
Are you guys ready for round 2?
Sure.
All right, so I'll start with Rapstick. Are you ready? Stick.
Sure.
That's a wolf kakra. Tobo about agro. What's that say? All right, let's check it out.
Yeah. Yeah, right now I pass prophet, cause I speak signs of wonders. Even in darkness, I can still shine. What am I who why you be shoe shine? Between the monkey and the junkie, I beg who fine. Putting rent in that, they still up on the pass of Kogan. Just in the rap the hazard, but my send him not be Togan. It be me where you promise I go cross the river. Thought that 10,000 they push me from my far, but I no go fall down. Can't pay face, but we not fear the devil. Shout out Wale Nikeyoni, so I know my level. Hey, do you know Rapstick? The boy don't wanna scare you. If you dare make a boy, it be pencil, go take pen to you. Rapstick, hey, me go on a low. Watch me ache, say me vado, yeah. Me ni abedi call, me pet say kano. Ega kami lemoji, ebe rap pewo, yeah. Sena me se bene mic, you know. Sena me fama no pole te me rhyme, you know. Bajidi, sena me te me di rap, pasi me ni say no one, I'm the best is me man, you know. Okay, fat boy, make you shake body. All the slim fat girls come dance for me. You do call me cash, Zada or fat money. This beat be too bad, make you jump on it, so.
He mentioned Shatawale. Come on, he mentioned Shatawale.
I know he's your guy. I know he's your guy.
He is.
Charlie, Hero, are you ready?
Okay.
You ready?
Round two, right?
Yeah, round two.
Okay,
Let's do this.
Alright. I be that boy. Hey. So you know they say I dey rap. Oh yeah, you guys should clap. Spitting my bars or rhymes. FNS your flows, that be the fact. I dey talk, I never dey brag. You won't see me down, but you be the rag. Your brand new wallet. This year we saving the money in the bank. A class half no they be me now. I all pray. I no see you. Shout out to the fam. I you. I no be Scooby. But if you do, if I be science student, I know if you show me pressure, I know be force. Yes, of course, I'm up the course. This year comes profit. I no go more than loss. I won't get money then tear my own subjects. Money matters. Go over mathematics. Maths they be but Sunday, but I rather holla city pride and chat. I be that to assume it be facts. On the road, some artists they force. I forget them shouts. Go mole, tra ta ta ta. Posso get you no go get time. The style them vibe go make you second. I dey pet time. Say go for 10 years they make a kweme kwesiata. Oy, did that day, dada, I did that every day, dada, beside your father, I could see me master, son of Jacob with the socket, forget your bros. I'll be that boy.
Now the word playing there was me. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going.
Yeah, we've got a battle today.
You guys want me to judge?
We've got a battle today.
All right, so the last round,
That's my
this
guy.
is where Lenny gives us a word.
Okay. So, I mean, I said to him to make me proud, and I think he has made me proud. I'm pleased, really pleased with what he's done so far.
Jason is also like very happy.
Wait, did you hear the Scooby-Doo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see you be Scooby, so I go do.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like
The
that.
Rapstick just made a
Good
whole
one,
song on
good
set
one.
with Borowski. He was screeching and things.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Okay. So what word are we going for?
So before we go for the word,
Yeah.
right? Before I drop the word that I think they should use, Borowski, what do you think about the songs?
I think Rapstick and Hero are fire. You know, they have bars. I like wordplay, and then the wordplay in there is like crazy. Like both of them have it. Now it's very difficult for me. I don't even know who's winning.
You have to choose Hero.
Maybe the last round is going to help me decide because as it stands now, I mean, Hero is indeed a hero. Rapstick is indeed a Rapstick. Yeah, I know. He knows his level.
Please don't forget.
That doesn't count.
Alright, so what's the word?
Okay, now being that they are rappers, right? I like to think that rappers are a bit hard. They don't like to show their soft side, right? Yeah, they're hard guys. They think they're hard.
Yeah.
Let me just say they think. But when they fall, they fall. So, yeah. So, let me just drop Love. Okay. So use love. Let's see how you do on that.
Okay, so guys, now she's giving the word love. Now in the rap, there has to be a sequence of the word love in there. You know, rhyme with the word love. Talk about love. You know, let us feel the love because I don't know why she's giving love. Maybe it's based on personal experience.
Maybe she's in love.
Yeah. No, I'm not.
Yeah. We don't know. But anyways, Borowski, drop the beat and let's go.
And this is my. I mean, Rapstick has to go first. Okay. This is my favorite beat, rap beats, because the guy killed it, and you guys have to kill it. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. So I want to preach about love. I don't know, is it love or love? Take it cool, bro. It's message from above. Okay, you feeling me? Yeah. Straight from Genesis. On the killer wizard, on the MR. on the M, on the M-I-C. Take it. I wanna preach about love, tell you the things I've gone through. I fell in love, I fell from my back, almost break my neck. I don't know things were rough, yeah. They get hard to live. I said, okay, the boy was hard. At the moment I thought I never make it to the top, but it is shit. On the M-I.
This is a freestyle.
Hero.
Yes, it's supposed to be a freestyle. I mean, why you the top rate?
This is a freestyle.
Are you not too impressed?
This is a freestyle.
Hero.
Okay.
Make me proud.
Hero.
Hero.
Are you in love? Okay, let's do this.
Alright. Arrest your beat me hard. Alright.
Okay.
Arrest your beat me hard. I see this boy. I go murder you, Charlie. You never be my fav. I'm be sent from above. You know go fi show me nothing, Charlie. I dey see the squad. Them more than for clap. Me be the boy. I be that boy. The hero be the hero. You know go fi me nothing. When you're chon, you know cool. Alright. Hey. Okay. The story is for the youths, the hustlers, all the ghetto kids. Slay queens, game boys, I rep your story. I did have some tips. Yeah, every for second, some we say real school class 6. Yes, brother, show by the stairs flowing from my chin. Situation make me become tick. Sika they cannot go snitch. Came from pussy, that's the rule. So I prefer discover the bitch. You say life begins. So
Bro, you were supposed to talk about love.
So on that note,
I'm sorry.
I say love begin.
What happened to the
on that note,
I say love begin.
Hold on.
on that
Hold on,
note,
Jason. Hold on, Jason.
See, look at Jason.
Hold on, Jason.
on that note,
Look at Jason.
on that note,
Wait. I'm going to have to punch holes in Rapstick's performance. That's because Varasky mentioned that no curse words. He made mention of that. Did you hear it?
Which one?
Okay, you didn't hear it. I don't expect
No.
you to hear it. I don't expect you to hear it. But in his first performance, he used a curse word, and then in his last performance, he used a curse word. So that's minus 50.
listen.
All right, Jason, let me say something now. Lenny, you
Yes.
sound like Mourinho when he loses a match.
Thank you very much.
Why are you to explain?
I'm not
Are you the
happy
judge?
about this.
Are you
Thank you
the
very
judge?
I'm just saying, I'm helping you. I'm making your work easier.
Alright, okay. So this is a real quick. Both of you are amazing rappers. I mean, your style, dope. Hero, you're amazing. Rapstick, Charlie, you guys produce some song. You guys are super cool. But on the third round, Hero, you lost it. Amazing. Jason, why did you touch your heart?
Yeah, because I'm a winner. It did my heart up.
All right, so the first two rounds was actually difficult for me because, I mean, both of them did their thing. With the punchlines, with the bars, Hero say, you say I did down, but you be the rock. Hey, Charlie, that'll be a bar. I mean, my level and all that.
Cheers.
That was dope. But the third round, Hero, you lost it. I mean, you're supposed to talk about love. I don't know. You forgot about it. I mean, you mentioned love once. I mean, but we didn't even hear it because then you were talking about him and all that. But so, unfortunately, I have to give this to Rapstick. Yeah, I mean, he did his thing. I mean, yeah. On the third round, I mean, you know it.
On that
I'm
note,
not happy about his verdicts, but anyway, I don't.
No, but I mean, it doesn't take away from Hero. Hero is like, still
of
dope.
course.
You're still dope, very dope. The only
Amazing.
thing is you didn't add love, but yeah.
Okay, now the main thing is to give these guys the space to do themselves. So, Hero, where can we find you on social media, though?
At Instagram, Real Yao Hero.
Okay,
Okay.
Royal Hero.
Real what?
Real Yao
Real
Hero.
Yao
Yeah, Hero.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, where can we find you on social media?
On all platforms, Real Rapstick.
You guys are
You
real.
guys are
They're
real.
real.
Real
Wow,
G's.
okay.
So please follow them, support their music, check them out. You guys have singles out. Do you have music out?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Okay, what?
I have a single.
You have a single. What's it called?
Why me?
Why me? You see, why him? Eh?
And you couldn't put love in your,
there-
you
is
have
there
a single
why
why me. You couldn't put love in your.
I did
Battle.
give the streets.
For the streets, for the streets. Do you have music out?
Love you so, yeah.
You have a music called Love You? Love You So. No. Yeah, that's why. So
All
please
right.
follow them, right? But I think he's going to perform, right?
Yeah, he has to. I mean, he has another round because he won.
Okay.
He has another chance to give a freestyle.
Okay, so bro,
so-
Rapstick.
That's not fair.
Sure.
But then, I mean, make sure you check their music out. Why Me by Yao Hero. Love
Yeah.
You so.
You So. On all platforms, right? YouTube.
Sure.
Okay. All right. So let's do this.
don't know, it's a boy Rapstick King. From East Legon straight. I believe I what's up. I don't know what's up. You say what?
1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go.
Say, why not claim it? Yeah. Alright. I'm rapping like mad, rapping my heart, getting my hammer with every punch, you can call it to none. Drop back on man, I'm striking like lightning, never seen a rapper like me, walai.
Hey.